Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? I am here, and today I'm excited to give you a hands-on and first look at the Moto RAZR Plus, a folding phone that takes a significant leap forward in this evolving technology. Unlike its predecessors, the RAZR Plus offers a host of new features and improvements that truly define it as a second-generation device. The Moto RAZR Plus boasts a remarkable exterior screen that spans the entire front cover with a 3.6-inch, 144Hz POLD display that goes corner to corner. This phone's folding capabilities are taken to a whole new level. The inclusion of pixels around the camera and flash cutouts enhances the overall design. The device has undergone a modernized makeover, eliminating the retro aesthetic of the first generation. The phone feels premium and solid, with trimmed edges and an improved hinge mechanism. While not a flagship device, the Moto RAZR Plus offers upper premium mid-range specifications. It features a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. The 3800 milliamp-hour battery, which is 1000 milliamp-hours larger than its predecessor, provides decent battery life. The inclusion of 30-watt charging and 5-watt wireless charging adds to the convenience factor. The main folding display on the inside measures 6.9 inches and features a 22:9, 1080p POLD display with a smooth 165Hz LTPO refresh rate. Although not the brightest screen, it delivers excellent visuals for a folding phone. However, it is the giant outside display that sets the Moto RAZR Plus apart. This 3.6-inch, 144Hz screen covers the entire outside of the phone, offering a wide range of functionalities. It serves as a clock, provides notifications, and grants quick control access. Additionally, it allows users to use various apps without opening the phone, including Google Maps, camera functions, messaging, gaming, and even watching YouTube videos. While the extensive functionality of the outside screen is impressive, it begs the question of whether users of flipping phones desire such comprehensive features. Unlike the larger folding phones designed for productivity, the compact size of flipping phones creates a barrier between phone usage and non-usage. Some may appreciate the limit on distractions and the need to open the phone for full functionality. Nevertheless, for those who enjoy multitasking and maximizing screen space, the Moto RAZR Plus offers an incredible experience. Motorola has also announced the upcoming release of the new RAZR, a folding phone with a small postage stamp-sized display on the outside. Similar to early flipping phones, this model, with slightly lower-end specifications, may appeal to those seeking a more affordable option. With a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, a 144Hz internal display, and a larger battery and primary camera, it provides an interesting alternative in the folding phone market. In conclusion, the Moto RAZR Plus impresses with its cutting-edge folding capabilities and its giant outside display. While some may question the necessity of such extensive functionality on a flipping phone, others will appreciate the versatility and convenience it offers. With its solid specifications and premium design, the Moto RAZR Plus is poised to make a mark in the second generation of folding phones. Whether it's the RAZR Plus or the more budget-friendly RAZR, Motorola is providing exciting options for consumers. Stay tuned for its official launch this summer, and let me know your comments.